Today we are having a look at copy and paste programs which pay between $100 and $2,000 a day. Now we're going to look at this with a simple Google twist. Now in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started with this method. Now this is available in lots of different countries. It's absolutely free to get started with. You do not need any skills or any experience to start making money with this method and earning some simple money. So what we'll do is we'll look at the website. I'm going to show you a couple of different websites that you can use to make money on here, because lots of people, when they look at these sorts of videos, they always send you to one website, and I'll show you that website, but personally I don't recommend it, but I'll give you a brief overview of that. Then I'll show you where you can go ahead and find over 100 different sites which will pay you, and you can get paid for simply copy and pasting. I'm going to show you how you can earn the money, I'll show you how you can increase your earnings, and I'll show you a really cool little twist how you can go ahead and speed up this entire process. So let's jump into this video now, and I'll walk you through everything you need to know from start to finish. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online, come over to my blog and check out my free members area. All of the things that you see on the screen right now, they're all absolutely free and waiting for you. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School, and welcome to today's video. So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to share a number of websites with you that you can use to copy and paste and make money online. Now this is a really simple method. You don't need any skills or experience, and what I'll do is I'm going to show you the websites, and we'll just walk through this process and how you can get started with this. So we use a number of different websites. Now this is the first one that we're looking at here. It's called Quora.com. Quora is an absolutely awesome website. It's free, and this is the site that we're going to use for the copy and paste element of this video. So the basic way that this whole strategy and method works is big companies and small companies, they're all looking for content. Now that can be blog articles, it can be written articles, it can be short stories and long stories, and you will go ahead and create content for them, and we're going to use Quora, and we're going to copy and paste, and then I'll show you a really simple little twist that you can go ahead and use so you can just produce lots and lots of these articles and content for lots of companies. Now when it comes to writing online, many people will send you over to this website here. So this is TextBroker. Now TextBroker's been around for a number of years, but don't worry, because I mean this website here, this is only available for what is known as Tier 1 countries. So this is for countries like the US, UK, Canada, and I believe Australia. Now you can come over to this website and register on here, but don't worry, because if you're not in a Tier 1 country, I've got another website which has got over 100 different sites where you can go ahead and earn money, and I'll show you that in a second. But very quickly I'll show you TextBroker, then I'll move on to these other different websites for you. So this is TextBroker. So you come over here and you'd go to this here, I write content. So scroll down here. Now very quickly, you've got earnings at a glance and all the rest of it. So if you come down here, you can see roughly how much you can earn per word. Now scroll down here. You've got all of this stuff on here. Now there's a calculator on here. Now basically what happens on TextBroker is you earn ratings for every piece of work that you submit on here, and then the more ratings that you get, then you can command a higher rate of pay basically. So if you scroll down here, they've got this calculator that you can play around with. So if you're well, when you first start, you'll be starting on level 1 obviously. So once you're on level 1, you can go ahead and take this slider and drag it, just move it up and down to see how much you will earn. So it goes all the way up to level 5. Now as you'd expect, as you progress through these different levels, you'll be earning a significant amount of more money. So if I click on 5 here, you can see it's gone to $40. If I put it up on level 4, it's on $13. If we go down to level 3, it's now on $9 for a thousand word article. So on here, obviously, the more ratings you get, you're going to earn a lot more money. Now many people will say to you, oh, it's really simple, come over to TextBroker, look at this, you're going to be earning $40 for 1,000 words. If you scroll this up and you're putting out a 4,000 word article, you're going to be earning $164. You can churn out loads of these a day. It's not true. It really isn't. It will take a lot of time and a lot of effort for you to even get anywhere near a level 4 level and then start earning these amounts of money on here. But it is an option for you, but realistically you can expect to be earning these sorts of money here. So I mean, look at this. For a 1,000 word article, you can expect to earn €7. So it's not a great rate of pay, to be honest with you. But some people do like this website. They do use this. This is one option for you. I personally wouldn't recommend this one. I would recommend this option here. So let me come out with Text Broker. Let's get rid of this. So this is a website that I absolutely love. It's a blog that I use a lot, and it's called moneypantry.com. Now on Money Pantry here, let me just go up to the top and show you this article here. This is 101 sites that pay you per blog post, and you can see you can expect to earn anywhere between $50 and $3,000. Now again, don't worry, because you're not going to be writing these blog posts. You're going to be copying and pasting, making some simple edits, and I'll show you how to upload them. But if I scroll down here, look at this. This is an awesome list here. So these are all sites that pay you to write about, and you've got all of these different categories on here. So if you click on any of these, it will take you over to them. So if I just scroll down here, look, you've got vacation and travel. If I scroll down here, let's keep going a bit further down. You've got travel. You can see on here, there's just so many different sites that will pay you to basically submit content to them. And you can see how much you can earn on here. So motorhome, you've got $900 a post. You've got, what's this one, $100 to $300 per post. We've got there's literally, well, there's 101 different sites that will pay you on here. So I've just opened up in this tab here, I've just opened up one of the websites here. So this is vibrantlife.com. Now let's go back over here and find them. So we're looking for Vibrant Life. I think it was somewhere near the top. Wanderlust, Travels. Where was there? Let's scroll down here. Vibrant Life. We're looking for. I'm sure they said it, and you could earn up to $1,000. Oh, there we go. $100 to $300 per post with this site here, and this is a general interest one. So you can see on here, there's many different articles that you can submit on here. You've got healthy living, physical, mental, etc. Let's just go over here. So we're on vibrantlife.com, and this on here shows you how much you can earn, and it shows you guidelines on here. So you can go through and have a look at all of this. But what I like about this website here is, where is it? They focus on, look here, short articles, 450 to 650 words are always in demand, and then you've got featured articles which are over 1,000 words. So short articles, with this method I'm going to share with you, you can pump out a lot of these short articles a day. It's really simple. Now if you scroll down here, you've got payments. So you can see on here, payments range from $100 to $300, and then it just goes through about, you know, what you should include, what you shouldn't include. But like this website here, you've got all of these. There's just so many different things that you can go ahead and write content about. So if see this, you've got health on here, you've got exercise, you've got nutrition. So how we're going to do this method? So we're going to go over to Quora, and we're going to look at this exercise here. So let's go back over to Quora. And let me close that Vibrant Life out. Let's close this one, close some of these tabs. So we're on Quora. Now on Quora, you're going to find all of the content that you will ever need to go ahead and submit articles and short stories over to these websites. So on here, I've just typed in ways to exercise. Now you can scroll down here and have a look at these. Now the one that I found, which I quite liked, was this one here. So what are the best ways to exercise without having to go to the gym or lift weights at home? Now you can see on here, this has got 60 answers on here. So if I click on here, now when you are on Quora, every time you click something, it opens another tab. So let me click on here, and it opens up over here. So what are the best ways to exercise without going to the gym? So you could go ahead and create an article from here, because look, you've got 60 different answers on here. So how this works and how I would do this is I would come through here. So I would take this title here, and I would make some little amends to this, and then you're going to scroll through and look at the different answers. And all you're doing on here is you're simply taking the bits that you want to have a look at. So you literally copy it, and then you're going to go and paste that into a document, a Word document. And then once you've gone through and you've got all of these different things on here, you know, different tips and methods for, you know, working out at home, you simply go through here, have a look at which, you know, just basically copy and paste the content into a document. Then once you've got that into your document, you're going to go ahead and make some simple edits to that. You know, do not just leave it as a simple copy and paste. Make some edits to that. Now, a really simple way to speed up this whole process is once you've got all of your content copy and pasted into a document, you can go ahead and then simply come over to here, come over to Google Docs, and this is a way how you can speed up this whole entire process. Come over to Google Docs, open up your Word document, and then instead of just typing it, you simply go ahead and use the voice command on here. So you'd come up to here where it says Tools, So then you're going to scroll down and click on voice typing, and you're going to get this little microphone box over here. So all you do here is you select your language. So this little drop down box here, you can go ahead and select your language. Once you find your language, you're going to click on that, and then all you can do with this here is you simply, instead of having to go ahead and type everything out yourself, you click on this here and you start talking. Now what I would do on this is to speed up this whole process is come over to Quora, and I would simply just literally read off the title and then start going through down here and having a look and just, you know, reading out bits of this that you want to include in your document that you're going to go ahead and submit. Now you can, like I say, you can scroll down here and you can either copy and paste it excuse me, you can have a copy and paste it all into a Word document and then just go ahead and make edits on that and then just talk all of that for you and it'll format it all exactly how it should be. Or you can do this, so you could simply come on here and just basically talk from Quora back over onto your document on here. So like here you could go ahead and have a look at, just scroll through, find something that you want, and then just all you're going to do on there is you're just going to go ahead and talk. So let's just go back up to the top. I'll show you an example of this and how this works, and then I'll show you another website that you can use which is awesome for going ahead and earning some extra money by simply submitting short stories writing. So let's go over to Google Docs. You come on here, as I said, you go to tools and then you scroll down to the voice typing, then you click on here. Now I'll give you an example of this. It may lag a little bit because we're already recording, but let's try and see it. So I'm going to click on here. 5 awesome ways to lose weight without going to the gym. And I'm just going to click on pause. So that should now, it will appear on here. Now this is, again, this is lagging because I am obviously recording. So you see here it's actually 5 awesome ways to lose weight without going to the gym. So this is how you would do this whole process. You would simply click on the record your voice and start talking as you flick between this article over here and over on Google Docs. It's really simple to do, it's really easy, and as you've seen here, it's just a really quick way how you can pump out lots of these articles on here. Now it won't always be as slow as it just was there. That's happened because obviously I'm recording the screen here for you. So let me go back over here. So let's come out of here, but this is just in the weight loss one. There was 60 answers in here. You'll find lots of different ways how you can go ahead and create an article using this. So let me come out of this one here. Let me come out of this one here, and I'll show you another website that you can go ahead and use. But I'll drop a link to this moneypantry.com below for you. Go ahead and have a look at this because you will find something without a doubt that you can go ahead and write. And all of the stuff, all the different websites on here who are looking for content, again, you will find that content over on Quora. Just go ahead and take some of the answers given on there, copy and paste them into a notepad, mix them up a little bit, and then just go ahead and speak the article over on Google Docs, and that will format everything for you. It'll sort out all of your spelling mistakes, all of your errors, everything like that for you. But if I scroll on here, I want to show you this website here. Where are they? I can't find them now. Here, Cracked Humor. This is a great website to go ahead and use. You can see here they pay $50 to $200 per post. Now if I come over here, this is Cracked, and again I'll drop a link below for you so you can go ahead and check this out. Now what I like about this website here is they actually pay you to go ahead and do these sorts of top 6s and top 5 stories. So you can see on here some examples of these. Now all you do here is all the guidelines are on here for how you go ahead and submit your content on here. But in terms of finding content, so you can go ahead and start submitting these, top 6 lists, top 5 lists. Again, I'll just go over to Quora. So come over to Quora here, and as you can see at the top here, I've simply typed in 6 facts about, and then I've just hit on search, and then just scroll through here, and you can find different ones. So if I go up here, what have we got here? 6 facts nobody knows about Dragon Ball. It's got 2 answers, so you could go in there, you could compile a 6. Well, exactly as it says, 6 facts about this Dragon Ball. You've got 2 answers. You could go ahead, take a couple of answers from answer number 1, and then a couple from the next one, and simply submit them on there. But you're going to scroll through here and find all of these. So that is pretty much today's video. So recap on the method. So come over to this moneypantry.com, scroll through this article on here, have a look at all the different sites which are paying you to go ahead and submit content. The 2 I've shown you, they're both really great ones. There's 101 different sites that you can use on here, or you can go ahead and use a money broker, which we looked at the beginning. Once you go into these and you've found one that you want to submit content to, come over to Quora here, simply use the search bar, just start doing some searches, and then start copying and pasting some different answers into a spreadsheet, into a Word document. Once you've got all those answers, go ahead and make some edits, make a list, make a short story, make a blog article. Once you've got all that and you're happy with that, then simply go over to Google Docs, open up the voice talking on here, on the Google Docs, sorry, on the voice talking here. Remember, you simply go onto Tools, click on Tools, you come to voice typing, and then simply read out the document that you've got typed up. And then because you're using this on here, it will format this for you properly. It will go ahead and show you if you've got any spelling mistakes on here. And then once you've got all this, you simply submit this over to the different website that you're going to go ahead and try and get your blog article featured, and you earn some money for doing so. So that is enough for today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you've got any questions, let me know down below. But thanks for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.